nose job recovery day by day. Seven stages of nose job. Recovery in Turkey day by day. LIN Europe Clinic. Trust the timeline. You've seen the beautiful after photo on Instagram, but what happened in between? Recovery from a nose job, rhinoplasty, is a roller coaster of emotions. At LIN Europe Clinic in Turkey, we believe that knowing exactly what to expect reduces anxiety. Let's walk through the 7 stages of your healing journey. Day 1, the congested phase. You wake up from surgery. You won't feel sharp pain, but you will feel pressure. The most annoying part? You cannot breathe through your nose because of the internal silicone splints. You have to be a mouth breather for a few days. You'll have a small gauze pad, mustache dressing under your nose to catch any drips. Rest, hydration, and ice packs are your job today. Day 2 and 3. Peak swelling and avatar look. This is the peak. You might look in the mirror and see a different person. Bruising under the eyes and significant swelling is normal. You might look like an avatar character. At LIN Europe Clinic, we provide cool compresses to minimize this. You must sleep with your head elevated with 2 pillows to help gravity drain the fluid away from your face. Days 4 and 6, cleaning and itching. The worst is over. The dripping stops and you can remove the mustache dressing. Now you start cleaning the nostrils gently with saline water and antibiotic ointments as prescribed. Your nose underneath the cast might start to itch. This is a good sign. It means the nerves are healing, but not scratch, and do not blow your nose. Day 7, cast removal, the big reveal. This is the most emotional day at our Istanbul clinic. We remove the cast and the silicone splits. Suddenly, you can breathe. You will see your new nose for the first time. Warning, it will be swollen, it might look fat or high. Do not judge it yet. This is just the frame of your new nose, the definition comes later. Weeks 2 and 4, tapping and social life. You are ready to fly home. Most bruising is gone, and you can cover any yellow marks with the makeup. Depending on your skin type, especially for thick skins, we might teach you how to tape your nose at night. This helps to push the swelling down and shape the tip. You will look normal to strangers, but you know you are still in the healing. Months 6 and 12, the final definition. Rhinoplasty requires patience. The bridge heals first, but the tip takes the longest, up to a year to refine. Month by month, you will notice your nose getting smaller, more defined and softer. At the first year mark, your LIN Europe Clinic journey is complete. The recovery is temporary, but the confidence is permanent. At LIN Europe Clinic, we are with you from the first mouth breathe to the final perfect selfie. Ready to take the next steps? Click on the link in the description. Get your free consultation in 5 minutes. We're waiting for you.